Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes using the web camera of your DELL Chromebook 3400. To do that, let's go to the launcher menu and let's find camera application in here. So once you find camera, open this app. Then if it asks you for permission to use the camera, of course, give it to it, and then face your QR code to your device's camera. Select scan right here at the bottom. Then select QR code, and then place the QR code into the square on top of in the middle of your screen. You will see the link to which your QR code provides. Let's copy it, let's close the camera, and let's open the link using the web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.